Good day. Thank you for calling our PSI Hotel. This is Nico from Front Office Department. How may I help you?
I would like to make a reservation.
Yes, ma'am. You are very much welcome to have a reservation with us. By the way, ma'am, may I know when is the date of your arrival?
Okay, on March 26, 2025.
Yes, ma'am. How about your departure date?
On March 27, 2025.
Yes, ma'am. What type of the room would you like to reserve? We have standard room which costs 1,500 pesos for one box. Deluxe room that is 2,500 pesos per box. Suite, suite room for two packs cost 3,000 pesos. Executive room for 5,000 pesos. Good for four packs. Which do you prefer, ma'am?
A standard room, please.
Yes, ma'am. I'd like to know for how many nights are your stay?
For 1 night only, please.
One moment, please. I will just check the availability of your requested room. Thank you for waiting, ma'am. I am glad to inform you that the room is available on the side date. May I know if you are traveling alone on in a group?
Yes,
Boom. What is the estimated time of your arrival?
at 2 p.m.
Yes, ma'am. To process your reservation, may I know your complete name, please?
Okay, it's Raisa Perez.
Um, yes, ma'am, Raisa Perez. Your name spelled as Raizaperes. Did I spell it right, ma'am?
Yes.
May I know your complete address, ma'am?
Okay, it's Zone 1 Ligoro, Ragay Camarines.
Zone 1, Liboro, Roque, Camarines. How about your mobile number, please?
0993-794-3681.
Thank you, ma'am. May I have your email address, please?
Okay, it's raisaperez@gmail.com.
By the way, ma'am, how would you like to settle your bill? Through cash or credit card?
Cash.
Yes, ma'am, through cash. Ma'am, since you are paying through cash, let me just inform you that you must you must pay your bill upon checking in and please observe our 6 o'clock hotel policy that if you will not arrive at 6 in the evening, your reservation will be automatically cancelled. It is okay with you, ma'am?
Yes, thank you for the information.
Alright, ma'am. Do you have any special requests?
Ma'am, that's all.
Taking, ma'am, may I give you a quick recap of your reservation? You book a standard room under the name of Miss Raisa Perez. Your arrival date is on April 5, 2025, and departure date will be on April 5, 2025 at 12 noon. You are staying alone for one night and the cost of 300 pesos with complimentary breakfast. Your home address is Barangay Liboro, Cagayan Camarines Sur, with contact number 09 123456789 and an email is Perez at gmail.com. You are going to send your bill through cash and no special request. Did I get it right, ma'am?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Do you have a pen in a paper? You for your confirmation number?
Yes, I know.
Alright, ma'am. confirmation number is 1002. Please present it to your valid ID for fast check-in. Is there anything else I can help you, ma'am?
No more.
Thank you, ma'am, for calling our PSI Hotel. We look forward to see you on your visit. Enjoy it. Have a nice day.
Mabuhay, ma'am. Welcome to our PSI Hotel. I am Casey, your bell attendant for today. May I assist you with your luggage?
Yes, please.
Thank you, ma'am. Are there any breakable items in your luggage, ma'am?
None.
Okay, ma'am. This way, please. Have a seat, ma'am. Would you like to try our complimentary drinks? We have tea and coffee. Which do you prefer, ma'am?
No thanks. Let's proceed to my reservation.
All right, ma'am. This way to the front desk. After you visit the plane, here to the front desk. Here is Nico, our front desk attendant, who will assist you. Enjoy your stay and have a nice day.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Welcome to our PSI Hotel. How may I assist you today?
I have a reservation.
Of course. Of course. May I have your full name, please?
It's Reza Perez.
Ms. Raisa Perez. Thank you, Ms. Raisa Perez. May I also have your date of your birth for our records?
It's July 16, 2003.
July 16, 2003. Are you traveling for business or leisure?
I'm here for business.
Great. Could you please provide your company name, position, company address, in company address?
For our company name, it's Gerbaran Hotel.
Company.
And I am the CEO of our company. And the company address is Magsaysay Avenue, Nagasito.
Thank you. Now may I confirm your stay details? Arrival dates?
April 10,
April 10. For your departure date?
April 11.
How about your check-in time?
It's 2 p.m.
Check-out time?
12 p.m.
Does that look correct?
Yes, that's correct.
What type of room would you like preferred? For standard room, it costs 3,000 pesos. Good for one pax. For the executive room, it costs 5,000 pesos. Good for four pax. Which do you prefer?
I prefer the standard.
Standard room. The rate for room is 3,000 per night. Would you like to guarantee your reservation with a deposit evaluate equivalent to a one night stay?
Yes, I'll pay via cash.
Perfect. Your receipt will be given to you with folio upon checkout. Will you need transportation upon checkout? Your stay also includes like breakfast, newspaper. Do you have any additional requests?
Yes, I'd like to request the newspaper.
Noted. I process your reservation now. Here is your booking confirmation. You are Miss Raisa Perez. Your room type is standard room. For your check-in, 2 p.m. For your check-out, 12 p.m. Your room rate is 3,000 per night. Guaranteed deposit paid through cash. Special request newspaper. Miss Raisa, Before we finalize your reservation, I'd like to introduce you to our RPSI Hotel Membership Club, which offer exclusive privileges and discounts to make your stay even more enjoyable.
Oh, what kind of benefit does it include?
Okay, we have the three membership tiers tailored to suit your travel needs. Uh, First is silver membership, free to join. Welcome drinks on arrival, 10% discount of room bookings, discount on spa services, late checkout, and for the next one is the gold membership, 500 per years, complimentary breakfast, priority reservation, 20% discounts on room bookings, exclusive event invitations, and the last one is the platinum membership, 10,000 per year, free room upgrade, VIP airport transfer, 30% discount on room bookings, personal concierge service. Would you like be interested in enrolling in one of these membership tiers?
Okay, the gold membership sounds interesting. Do I get immediate benefits?
Absolutely. Once you sign up, you receive a complimentary breakfast and priority reservation for your future stay. Plus your 20% discount ap- applies right away on these bookings.
Oh, that sounds like a great deal. I'd like to sign up for the gold membership.
Excellent choice. I just need you to fill out this form with your personal details and payment information and does not then in. Thank you, Ms. Raisa Perez. Here is your club member card. You are now our official gold member of our PSI Hotel. You receive a confirmation email shortly with your membership details. Enjoy your exclusive benefits and we look forward to making your stay extra special. Miss Raisa Perez, we truly appreciate your for choosing our PSI Hotel. Here is now your key cards. Your room number is indicated here in the instruction on how to use it is on the back, together with breakfast coupon and Wi-Fi password. The elevator is located at the wing of the hotel. Now, our bed attendant, Casey Ivana Dumasi, will assist you with your luggage and escort you to your room. Please enjoy your stay.
Bigyan mo na kami ni series na.
Good day, ma'am. Welcome to our PSI Hotel. May I assist you with your luggage?
Yes, please.
Thank you. While we head to your room, allow me to introduce some of our hotel facilities. For the RPSI restaurant, located at the ground floor, it opens from 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. daily, offering a variety of cuisines including Russian, Italian, American, and Filipino dishes. You must try our famous Bicol specialties, Pinangat and Bicol Express. For our RPSI bar, located at the rooftop, opens from 5 p.m. to 8 p.m., serving a selection of alcoholic and non-alcoholic drinks. Our bartenders craft signature cocktails you surely enjoy. For the coffee shop, located at beside an RPSI restaurant, open from 5 a.m. to 10 a.m., perfect for a fresh cup of brewed coffee and other beverages. Available for dining or takeout. For our business center, located at the second floor, open from 7 a.m. to 12 midnight, providing computer access, internet services, printing, photocopying, and secretarial support. For our RPSI staff, located at the second floor, open from Monday to Saturday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., offering relaxing massages and hand and foot treatments. For the souvenir shop located on the ground floor, open from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m., featuring personalized souvenirs like shirts, mugs, bags, keychains, and Bicolano delicacies. For the function hall, located at the third floor, open from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., ideal for events, birthdays, debut, and conventions. For our gym, located at the fifth floor, open daily from 7 a.m. to 9 p.m., equipped with modern machines and professional instructors to assist with your fitness goals. For our infinity pool, located at the rooftop, open from 24 hours featuring a 360-degree view of majestic Punong volcano with separate pools for adults and children. For outdoor watering sports, you can contact our concierge department to book banana boating, swimming, and paragliding experiences. Those are our hotel facilities and amenities that you will enjoy now that you have availed our club membership services. This way, ma'am, to the elevator. After you, ma'am. After you, ma'am. How was your flight, ma'am?
It's great.
That's good to hear, ma'am. We are now here at the second floor. After you, ma'am. We are now here in front of you. Can I borrow your electronic card, please? Thank you, ma'am. This is how the electronic key card works. Just place your key card here and wait for the sound and green light. Then pull up the doorknob and the door is open. Ma'am, please enter. Ma'am, where would you like me to place your luggage, ma'am?
You said that
Okay, ma'am. Mrs. Perez, let me give you a quick tour of your standard room. For the bed and linens, freshly prepared with high-quality sheets and extra pillows upon request. For the entertainment and connectivity, the flat-screen TV with cable channels with high-speed Wi-Fi and a telephone from room service. For the minibar refreshment includes a variety of drinks and snacks. Charges may apply. Please follow me, ma'am. For the bathroom amenities, equipped with complimentary toiletries and hot and cold water shower. And fresh towels. For the closet and safe, extra hangers and iron and personal safe for securing valuables. For the air conditioning and lighting, adjustable for your preferred temperature and brightness. Would you like any adjustment to the room, such as additional pillows or a different room temperature?
none.
Wonderful! If you need anything during the stay, just dial 0 for reception or contact housekeeping for extra amenities. Here's now your electronic card, Mrs. Perez. Enjoy your stay at RPS Hotel.
Good morning. This is Nico from front office department. How may I help you?
I am from room 201 for checkout, please.
All right. Would you like me to send your bill attendant?
No thanks, I'll just go there.
Well taken. Ma'am, have a nice day.
I am the one who called you earlier. Here's my key card.
Thank you. Wait for a moment, please. Good day, housekeeping department. This is Nico from front office. Wait lang. Good day, housekeeping department. This is Nico from front office. Room 201 is checking out. Thank you. For a while, ma'am. I will just process your guest folio. Thank you for waiting, ma'am. Here is your guest account. And indicated that you have settled everything. Please sign here. Once again, Thank you for choosing RPSI Hotel. I am looking forward to see you on next visit. Have a nice day and a safe trip. Here is Casey, our bed attendant, to assist you.
Good day, ma'am. May I carry your luggage? Yes, please. Thank you, ma'am. This way, please. How was your stay with us, ma'am?
It's good.
Once again, ma'am, thank you for choosing RPS Hotel. Should I call a cab for you, ma'am?
No, thanks.
Yes, ma'am. Once again, thank you for choosing RPS Hotel.